Hi students, welcome to online English class for grade 7. How do you do? I hope that you're all doing good. Don't think that the online class will be bored to you. It will be very interesting to you. Before starting the class, let me talk to you generally. We'll have many questions in our mind, but we don't know the answers. Many of us are trying to find out the answers, and many of us will get the answers at a certain time. Here, a king has three questions in his mind and he is searching the answers for those questions. Yes, today we are going to see a lesson named Three Questions written by the renowned Russian writer Leo Tolstoy. This story is divided into two parts, both are interrelated and of practical importance. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? These are the three questions he want to find the answer. So the king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, and he promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. But others said that it was impossible to decide in advance. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. So, Kana, what they are coming to say is someone like a wise man should be there to help the king to do the things at the right time. But others said that it is impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. ஸோ கண்ணா அவங்க என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, அதாவது ஒவ்வொரு ஆக்ஷனையுமே வந்து ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி ஆக்ஷன் கெனாட் பி டன் அட் அ ரைட் டைம். ஒருத்தர் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு ஆக்ஷனுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு ரைட் டைம் சொல்லி ஒவ்வொரு ஆக்ஷனையும் வந்து என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, செய்ய முடியாது கிங்கால். ஸோ இது வந்து என்னது, ஒரு தப்பான டெசிஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறாங்க. சரிங்களா? So, in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. So, what they are coming to say means only the magicians can predict the future. So, he only can help the king to do the things at the right time. This is the thing they are coming to say. Are you all understand, students? Then next, And what they are suggesting the king means the king would have to go to magicians in, the king would have to go to magicians. This is the only solution of the first question. Like that they are saying. They are here it refers the counselors or the wise men or the different people from the different country. They are suggesting the answers like this to the king. Okay, Agane. So, for the second question, what is the second question? Which people should he listen to? That is, which people should the king listen to? This is the second question of the king. So, for this question, how they have answered means some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So, what they are saying is the most necessary thing to the king is his counselors. Counselors means here it refers those who are giving advices or saying good things to the king. So, they are called counselors. They are called counselors. And some says and some suggest the priests. Who are priests? Priest means தமிழ்ல வந்து சாமியாருங்கன்னு சொல்லுவோம் சரியா. So they some suggest the priest and some suggest doctors because the doctors, priests, they would give some advices to the king. So through that advice the king can lead the country properly. So that they are suggesting like that. And still some of the people are suggesting the soldiers of the king because the soldiers only they know about the plus and minuses of his country so that some people suggest the soldiers. And so, what are the answers for the second question? What is the second question actually? The second question is which people should he listen to? That is, which people should the king listen to? So, some people suggest counselors, some people suggest priests, and some people suggest doctors, some people suggest his soldiers. So, likewise, they are suggesting lots and lots of answers for the second question. And for the third question, what is the third question? What is the most important thing for him to do? What is the most important thing for him to do? Here the thing, important thing here it refers for the development of the country, what should he give importance? So, what are the things are the people suggest the answers like science. Science here it refers to develop science department and to develop fighting department. Fighting here it refers போர்க்கலைன்னு சொல்வோம் இல்லையா அது. And then next yet others religious worship. Religious worship here it refers to develop the countries religions. So what are the religions are followed in his country? So he has to develop the religion. So these are the answers for the third question. So what are the answers for the third question? First one is science. Second one is, what is the second one? Second one is war, and third one is religious worship. So these are the three answers given by the wise men for the third question. Okay children, have you all understood? I think it is understandable to you. So next, as the answers to his questions were so different, that is, different people gave different answers, no? So he was not satisfied for the answers, and he doesn't give any reward to anyone, because in the beginning itself he promised to give a reward. He promised to give a large sum of reward to who find out the answers for all these three questions. So likewise he informed to everyone, but their answers are not satisfied him. Their answers are not satisfied him. He didn't give any reward to anyone. So he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit. What is the meaning of hermit கண்ணே? Hermit means saint ன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லைங்களா? Hermitனா என்னது? Saint, துறவின்னு சொல்லுவோம் சரியா? So he decided to seek the advice from the hermit. The hermit, he was well known for his wisdom. Wisdom here it refers, that is, the hermit was an intelligent man. So that the king decided to meet the hermit. So if he meets the hermit, means what would happen? He would get, that is, the king would get some answers for his question, so that he decided to meet that hermit. Have you understood, students? Fine. So I think it is enough for today's class. Let's see the remaining in the next class. Thank you, dears. And your homework is, you want to find out you want to make some questions. You want to make some questions from the story so far. So far we have learned half of the story. Half of the story we have learned. So what you have understood, I want to know that. So for that, what you want to do? You want to make some questions, and not only questions, you want to make question with the answers, and you want to send back to me. Right, children? Thank you. Let us see in the next video. Bye. Take care.